Like I said earlier,
we're gonna get straight to it. That's what we're gonna do.
I don't know. What it do, 2 times crew? It's your boy Swervo 2 times, and I'm back with another video. Sound a little nasally right now. Just woke up. I think I'm catching a little cold a little bit. I ain't gonna even lie. But today I'm finna go see if I can go get a muffin to eat. The last place they told me that it was too tight under there. I don't understand what they was talking about, but we finna go to Mike's and see what they talking about. Literally right up the street. First I gotta move these cars because I decided to leave the car here because I was waking up so early. It wasn't no point in me taking it to the garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the cars. Then I'm gonna go to Mike's. Probably won't turn the camera on till it's done. I don't know how I'm gonna go along with this video today. I don't know. Just depending on how I feel. So comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Hope you all enjoyed the last video. It was crazy. Look better outside right now. So I'm gonna have to show y'all that once I muffin to eat it, and I might do the driving footage today. Just because the muffin to eat video might not be as long. I don't know. If I link with some of the guys, then I don't know, guys. So stay with me for today. Comment, like, subscribe. Do all that, man. I'll see y'all in a minute. So it's a couple hours later. They said that I couldn't get a. They said I couldn't. I can't. I can't do a muffin to eat because I guess I'm gonna need a kit because it's gonna be a. He said last time they did a Corvette, a cold red came up. So I guess I gotta get a kit or something. I don't know, but yeah, this car is too quiet for me. I'm not used to this, so I'm gonna look into it and see. The muffin to eat is on hold right now. So now I gotta do a paint correction, and then what I gotta do after that? I do a paint correction. Yeah, I really gotta do a paint correction, and then that's really it for the body side of it, honestly. But right now I'm on my way to go pick up my boy Hemi boy. He had to drop his car off, so I'm going to go scoop him, take him to the crib, and then we off and ride out to the mall and get some stuff for the weekend, because I know the weekend gonna be nice. And then after that, oh yeah, I forgot. After that, we're gonna I'm gonna give y'all some driving footage of what it looked like, because today was the first day I brought the car out in the streets, and man, I tell you, it caught so many eyes. So I definitely got to do a video just to see from my perspective from a person's perspective of what it looked like, because I'm in the car obviously, so I can't see what they see. So I'm kind of excited to see this video. I don't know about y'all, but this video should be kind of fun, and who knows what the rest of the day gonna bring, guys. Just enjoying the day, honestly. It's not too bad out here. It's like 51 degrees, so shouldn't be a bad day, guys. Oh, hold on, the door unlocked. It's unlocked. What's up, my boy?
What up?
What's the word?
Damn,
What's
bro,
the word, gang?
Yeah, you got me on camera in my
Hold on,
little,
what you got? What's the word? Hey, what are those?
Hey, the Target joints, bro. These motherfuckers Target joints.
Man, what happened to the truck, man?
Man, my catalytic converters, bro. Which is clogged. I can't got no power on it.
Somebody took your Cadillac converters, my boy.
Nah, man, they probably ain't expensive as shit, bro. $380 a pop, bro.
How you like the rap?
Hey, bro, I didn't even get a chance to really check it out, but it looked good. Like,
I didn't see it.
Yeah, bro, it's nice.
It's nice.
From what I can see.
Was you expecting something like this?
No, not at all. I was actually expecting you to go a little bit different route. I remember you said you didn't like the Tiffany. I think you said that.
No, I ain't saying nothing about the Tiffany. What you talking about?
Oh, maybe it was some shit, bro. But shit.
I need a tripod. Yeah, that's what I need to go do. I need to invest in a tripod.
Yeah, you do.
I'm playing. Hold on, the ambulance gonna pull me over. We in a cut. They said it's applying too much pressure. No, just
that's my first time riding this motherfucking Jeep.
This your first time in the vet?
Yeah, in the vet, period.
Oh yeah, I'm going here. Hemi boy, hey man, everybody go spam my boy Hemi boy and tell him go slide in the vet.
Man,
he not gonna regret it.
I know I ain't, but I hate.
Hey, That pool is something else.
That Swervo money, you feel me? I need some of that.
The police right there too. Something must have happened. I don't know, man. Something must have happened. Usually when the police be on the ambulance, that means something bad didn't happen.
Escort.
Yeah. That means they trying to investigate. Trying to see what the word is. But yeah guys, we finna take, oh dang, I'm finna crash. We finna drop my boy Hemi boy off so he can get free or whatnot. He finna get dressed and put some sweatpants back on again.
And, boy.
And then we gonna get some driving footage. And then I don't know, y'all. Like I said earlier,
we gonna get straight to it. That's what we're gonna do.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know where this day going, but like I said, I'm in a grinding mode right now. I'm motivated. My car back. Feel good, man. I feel good. All right, y'all. We finally back. I'm finally dressed. Hold on. Drip check real quick. Slight drip check. You feel me? You see the shoes. We got my boy Hemi boy with the drip check as well. Oh, I see him. Hold on. Wait. We all got the UNC 6s on. UNC hoodie on. Then we got Tay with the jean jacket on. Jean pants on. Hold on. Wait. You can't see the shoes yet. Jean shoes on. I can't. Hey, don't forget the address. What you call it ones? I can't think of the name of them. I got them. I forgot the name. I always forget the name of them. Huh? Yeah, but we finna do some driving footage because my battery's finna clock out on me. So we gotta make this quick.
Billy Pete.
Yeah.
What up, my boy?
You see it?
What
You
up?
see what's going on, player?
Chilling.
Yeah. My boy out here ready for the summertime. Stop playing. Yeah.
He said,
Got the 4 Giottos on there. Got the Rizap on there. I see you.
you something slight, my boy.
Heavy boy over there still looking like Heavy boy. Look at him.
Heavy boy.
Heavy boy.
Heavy boy.
Heavy boy. Oh,
Man, you don't stop right there.
like that.
He said he can't stay here and hearing you. Ah, man. Wait, man. Dude better get out the car. Oh, there you go, right there. Heavy boy, you fired. Dang, that gas didn't do nothing. Oh, I moved up a little bit. I'm gonna get out the car, y'all. Hold on. What up? Oh. What's up?
It's very Swervo.
He says very Swervo.
It's very Swervo. Yeah, it's very Swervo. Yeah, I like that.
Yes,
I like
sir.
that. What y'all just cruising?
Yeah, we about to go to the mall.
Man.
About to go to the mall.
Yeah, this thing is dope, boy.
I gotta get a paint correction.
2021?
Nope, 21, 22.
21, 22?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, you got to. Yeah. 21, 22 set up.
21, 22. Shot-Town Customs. He had them in stock, yeah.
What's up? There's something camping for us.
Nuh-uh. They was brand new.
Where are they coming? Oh.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Oh, man. I thought dog.
Yep. That boy looking clean over there.
Yeah.
It's really looking clean.
Just wait till we drop. Alright. We're going to Chipotle.
Alright, my boy.
Y'all about to get out of here?
Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all.
Alright.
Alright,
Hit me up when you get off.
I got you.
Alright.
Yeah.